Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale with your Shots of Life kit for May and June. So the Shots of Life comes out every other month and it's perfect for your pocket page scrapbooking, but it's also great for normal scrapbooking, 12 by 12 or traveler's notebooks or in your planners. The other great benefit to this kit is it coordinates with your Flavors of the Month kit. So you could even get your Shots of Life to go with your Flavors of the Month to make it go even further. So let's go through and see everything that's in your May-June Shots of Life kit, starting with the full 12 by 12 pattern paper sheets. First, from Confetti Wishes by Pink Paisley, we have the paper number 1, which is a cut apart, and you can see that it has some 3 by 4 cut aparts and a 4 by 6, but there's also this long border strip, some little square ones, these that are cut apart that could be used at the bottom of photos, as well as some of these others that are not your normal project life size cards. The back side is a full 12 by 12 design, and it's kind of a orangey red striped, and again a full branding strip that can be cut apart with labels for your photos or pockets. From Simple Stories, we have Travel Notes, which is the 4 by 6 cut apart sheet, and the back side is an orange pattern with these little circles on the lines. Good Day Sunshine from Echo Park, our 4 by 4 cut apart. Great summer icons. Love the little doily on the floral print here. And the back side is this quilt design in the pinwheels. Absolutely gorgeous. From Bella Boulevard, Dad Style, we have this cut apart, and again we have some 3 by 4, 4 by 6, as well as some square ones up here. These would be great for even making a few cards for your dad for Father's Day. The back side are the hearts and the color scheme here with a distressed look to it. From Jen Hatfield, Patio Party, we have the 3 by 4 cut apart sheet. Again, a lot of these would be great for cards as well, so you could use some of your extra supplies to make some cards. The back side is an ombre blue-green with a hexagon design throughout and a full branding strip in pink with a floral design. Simple Stories Bliss, we have the 3 by 4 cut apart. Love this gorgeous map design with the roses in front of it. The back side is this black floral on a cream background. And then from Cartabella Spring Market, we have the 3 by 4 cut apart. Again, your leftovers of this would make some beautiful cards as well. And the back is this awesome wood print. So one more look at the pattern paper. So as you can see, if you do 12 by 12 scrapbooking, you're all set with just the B sides of these papers or your cut aparts for a pocket page. Then from Project Life, we have 3 by 4 and 4 by 6 cards. So you're going to receive 37 of the Project Life Snapshots Edition cards. So these are going to vary among the kits, but you can tell they're double-sided. I'll just go through and flip through just a few here. I love how they have the journaling spot on the back, but a design on the front. So lots of choices here. But again, these will vary among the kits, but you'll get 37 of this size. And then you're also going to get some 4 by 6 of this collection from Project Life Snapshots. So those will vary as well. For the fun embellishments, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet from Echo Park, Good Day Sunshine. Again, that great summer feel. I love this little title here, just ready to go on a page. And the florals, a basket of strawberries. Going to get this half a pack of sticker sheets from the patio party. Love the string of light bulbs that are so popular right now. Then also from this collection, Project Life Snapshots, you're going to receive a third a pack of the stickers. So these are chipboard stickers. From Cartabella, you're going to get some enamel dots. So these go with the Spring Market collection, but of course you can see how well it translates over into other collections. From Simple Stories Bliss, you're going to get a sheet of the clear stickers. Let's see if I can find one. You can see, so those will vary, but they'll be the clear stickers that are a lot of fun to put right on top of your photos. From Pink Paisley Confetti Wishes, you're going to get a package of the puffy stickers. So all of your little birthday photos are ready to embellish there. And then Simple Stories Travel Notes. You're going to get 2 of the 4x6 sticker sheets. So these will vary as well, but you can see a good representation of what you'll get. So you can tell the Shots of Life is just jam-packed full of product ready for your scrapbooking projects, whether you do Project Life or full 12x12 pages or other forms of scrapbooking and memory keeping. So one more look at the Shots of Life kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available from the Scrap Room, and then visit us on the Scrap Room Facebook page and the blog to see what the design team is creating with their kits, as well as your fellow subscribers, and join in on the many challenges each month. If you're not already a subscriber to the YouTube channel, click that coffee cup and you'll be notified when the new videos are revealed. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.